So kule weekend le kunama games eBetway Premiership. So namhlanje ngizozama ukupredicta igolani zalama games wonke. And by Sunday sobuyela kule video lesibheka ukuthi kahle kahle lama matches layo ngangawapredicte kahle. So qala ngematch namhlanje kudlala iMaromo Gallants versus SuperSport United. SuperSport United idlala masubheka irecord lawo. Their last 5 games bawina igame eyodwa. Irecord leMaromo Gallants their last 5 games too bawina igame eyodwa bashawe kathathu. iSuperSport United ishawe kabili nama-draws amabili. So lama team acisha afane ngokudlala. But judging by the talent iSuperSport esayilandi umdlalo omusha ukwazi uskora impela uSamir Nokovic. Ngiyamthema impela ukuthi angakwazi ukunikeza iSuperSport United iadvantage kule match le and badlala home futhi. So ngiyapredicta la I think imatch izophela ngo 2-0 SuperSport. Kuthi kusasa sibone iKZN derby between Richards Bay FC versus AmaZulu. Irun yeRichards Bay FC ayikho yinhle basasanda kuxosha ucoach wabo and ku last 5 games wabo basashaywe ka4 bane draw A1 and now AmaZulu awekho mahle kakhulu kuma games wabo awu5 basashaywe ka4 bawin igame eyodwa naba kuhle kakhulu. Le match le izoba close kakhulu but ngiyawanikeza la AmaZulu iwin. Yabo I feel like le game le izophela ngo 2-1 to AmaZulu. Angiyiboni iRichards Bay overcome le obstacle ebhekene nawo kwama because AmaZulu alando ucoach omusha and lo coach labo coach abafuna ukubasusa ezantsi yabo uVilakazi beno Atazwana. So I see AmaZulu iwina kule game le 2-1. Kuthi kusasa futhi kuphinde kudlala iKaizer Chiefs neRoyal AM. Kaizer Chiefs their last 5 games banama winner u2 ama-loser u2 nedraw eyodwa. Kuthi iRoyal AM banama loser u3 iwinner eyodwa nedraw eyodwa. Le game le izobe tight kakhulu but I see iKaizer Chiefs overcome le match. Judging by the way abadlala ngakhona iKaizer Chiefs imisele ngempela and ucoach wabo uzofuna 3 points kule game le yabo and even abodlalela kuyona yabo iPeter Mokaba Stadium ijwayele ukufika isijwayele ukuyiphekisa kakhulu le venue le. So I see ama fans amaningi efika yo support iKaizer Chiefs and I see iKaizer Chiefs iwina la yabo 3-1. I see uMamkhize la escora igol eli1 iKaizer Chiefs ikora 3 goals yabo 3 goals or more. I may be wrong. Kuthi kusasa futhi kudlala iChippa United versus iMagesi FC. Ama matches awu5 eChippa United banama winner u2 ama loss u2 nedraw eyodwa. Kuthi iMagesi FC ama last 5 matches wabo banama draw awu3 newinner eyodwa neloss eyodwa. So I see iMagesi FC la iba nayo challenge yabo because uma usubheka iChippa United team nayo ekwaziyo ukudlala yabo team ekwaziyo ukudlala but I don't see iChippa United iscore kule game le yabo and I don't see iMagesi nayo iscore kule game le. Awuthi ngithatha kancane iMagesi ngiyibona like draw yabo I see draw ka not kule match le but I may be wrong. Ngangitshela ama comments. Kusasa futhi kudlala iSundowns versus iSkhukhuna United. Sundowns last 5 matches wayo bane loss eyodwa nama wins ayi4. Kuthi iSkhukhuna banama wins awu2 nama loss awu2 nedraw eyodwa. I see Sundowns iwina le match le against iSkhukhuna United. I think le match le izophela ngo 2-0 or 3-0 yabo 2-0 or 3-0 yabo but ngiyayibona iSundowns iwina le match le because uma usubheke iStates umanqoba mnqitsi akusona le match le uzowenza show ukuthi uyayiwina because mengayiwini ngenze umanqoba mnqitsi ashiye umsebenzi wakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns but asazi and iSkhukhuna United abantu akumele basithathe kancane yabo nayo iclub ekwazi ukudlala yabo ngenze kusasa banikeze Mamelodi Sundowns inkinga ngisazi yabo but I see Mamelodi Sundowns iwina le match le yenza show ukuthi idlalela ucoach because I feel like umanqoba mnqitsi uyayiluza kancane e-dressing room yabo. Tomorrow he must make sure that he gets ama points yabo because u3 points ubalekile kwileague. Kuthi ngesonto kudlala iOrlando Pirates versus Stellenbosch FC. Orlando Pirates idlala ngempela kule insuku lezi their last 5 games bawinile. Kuthi Stellenbosch FC sinama winner u2 nama draw awu3 abekho kude kune Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates number 1 masebe number 4. Orlando Pirates izowenza show ukuthi ifuna ukuqhubeka ne-winning streak yayo and masubheka Stellenbosch FC sinama injuries athi singesazi yabo ulindele lutho kwiStellenbosch team ekwazi ukudlala isathanda kuphuma kwilosi yayo kwiCAF Confederations Cup and I see Orlando Pirates iqhubeka iwina le match le yabo. So kule match le I see Orlando Pirates iwina ngo 3-1 yabo repeating the score esenzeka le kwi-MTN 8 final but I may be wrong yabo I may be wrong. I'm not being biased. I'm just saying, judging by the way Stellenbosch idlala ngakhona right now and judging by the way Orlando Pirates idlala ngakhona right now, Orlando Pirates yobadlala home futhi. That's an advantage kuJose Rivera. Kuthi ngesonto kudlala iGolden Arrows versus Cape Town City. Golden Arrows their last 5 games banama loss awu3 idraw mase kuba ne-win yabo. Kuthi Cape Town City babe nama loss awu2 ama winner u2 nedraw eyodwa. I see le game le iba close kakhulu but I will give Cape Town City I will give Cape Town City ukuthi win le match le ngo 1-0 yabo. I'm not saying angiyithembi iGolden Arrows ngoba i-team ya like ezitheni. Ngiyithemba iGolden Arrows but judging by the way Cape Town City dlala ngakhona yabo, I will give them le win le yabo. Kuthi match yokugcina kube iPolokwane City versus TS Galaxy. Polokwane City number 3 kwi-league their last 5 games bana 2 wins, 2 losses and 1 draw. Kuthi TS Galaxy bana 2 losses, 2 draws and 1 win. TS Galaxy now ikwi-crisis ya. I see iPolokwane City win le match le yabo. I see iPolokwane City win le match. It's a win for iPolokwane City. Bazoqhubeka badlale ngokuyithemba because the way they are playing right now, see ukuthi badlala as a team yabo. No coach wabo uyayithemba indlela approach ngakhona ama big matches yabo. Njengoba bedlala nje kwi-Betway Premiership abekho ku number 3 for no reason yabo. Indlela badlala ngakhona basathanda kushaya Mamelodi Sundowns. Akukho akusiwona umsebenzi olulu ukushaya Sundowns yabo. So ngangitshela ama comments ukuthi imaphi wena ama game ufuna ukwabuka, ungitshele ama comments iko oyipredict-ayo kuma games yabo azodlala kule weekend le yabo. Ngitshela imaphi ama team engwabhetile, imaphi ama team azowina, imaphi ama team azodliwa or imaphi azodraw yabo.